Hello friends, I am using a regular TV remote to switch on and off light at my home. How about yourself? In today's world, when everything is available at your fingertip, be it a TV remote, car window or even an AC operation, why not lighting applications at your home? So let's unbox and see the small demonstration of the same. I am here in front of you to unbox a new product launched which is called Smart Holder. This product can be used in your home lighting applications much more easier and convenient manner. So let me unbox in front of you right away. I'm just going to show this product now. Look at this product, which is very much simple, elegant and beautifully designed product. So let me show you how exactly this is going to be beneficial at your home. This is your regular lighting applications where you have got a bulb attached to the holder directly. So now let me uninstall this. This is the smart holder which will be installed directly onto your holder. So then what you have to do, you have to use your regular bulbing to be installed. In your home, whatever the remote you are using, you can use the same device to automatically on and off this bulb. Have a look. It is as simple as this. You can use any of your remote and any of your button and then switch on and off automatically. You can download any TV remote applications from Play Store and then all you have to just on and off by using your mobile device itself. So who are in need of this product? A senior citizen at home, or a person who is taking a treatment at home, or even a bedridden patient, or a woman with a newborn baby, or even a pregnant woman. They cannot always walk over to the switchboard to switch on and off the light applications. At the same time, they cannot even dependent on others for always. So in this case, this comes in handy for them. So to summarize, this is the first ever innovative product launched specific for the Indian market segment. This has been awarded as Most Innovative Idea by MSME and Startupedia. This comes with a 1-year warranty and this is proudly Make in India product.